Hey everyone, Stephanie here again from Impact Radio. Another quick video outlining our second piece of web functionality that we've added for our dealers is the My Favorites section. So once again, once you're logged into your dealer account on our website, you'll see the two new quick links at the top, Quick Order, which we've already gone through in a separate video, and now the My Favorites section. So if you click into My Favorites, you'll see that I've already favorited a few items. So any items that you purchase a lot of regularly, you can save to your favorites section, as you'll see them in here, and you can quickly select the ones that you're looking for and add them to a quick order. So in this instance, I'll add the HT9 and the PRSMAs, and they'll immediately enter into my quick order section. As always, you'll see the MSRP price and the dealer pricing. We'll select our attributes for that one and our connector type here. You'll notice the quantities again on the connector types, and we enter our quantities and we are good to proceed to cart. When you're in the quick order functionality, any product that you add to quick order, you can also add it to your favorites. And just like any retail website, when you're on a specific product page, we'll go onto the HD3. You'll see a nice little CTA now underneath add to cart. You can also add it to your favorites so that it shows up. And we can see there that we've added it to our favorites for next time. So if you have any questions again on this functionality, please feel free to reach out to your account manager or our customer service agent, Amy, and we'll happily help you through it. Thanks so much.